A one bedroom villa on a low budget. This one, well, originally I spent 160,000 on it, but now I think maybe 250,000. The two bedroom, sorry, was 360, now maybe 500, but the price is higher now. But this one for one bedroom, this is done in Acon block. You do it with concrete blocks and the price will be a lot lower. So just basic, you know, concrete pillars, concrete floor, ceramic, and windows and doors. So nothing fancy, and an area to sit outside. Small veranda. I done two, and then these doors are 6,000 baht, something like that. 6,000. The windows maybe cost 1,500 baht. I built the kitchen for 5,000 baht. The doors 1,600 baht. But I don't understand where the people get the idea, you know, thousands and hundreds of thousands. It's only block, one block. Door standards 770 baht. Ceramic to supply it and lay it about 220 baht square meters, more than enough to do that. And inside the villa, just basic, you know, no cornice, no nothing, just have doors, blocks and ceramic, and insulation in this. And the roof's only like 133 baht for one row when I bought it. So then this kitchen as well, you know, it's a small kitchen, but nothing to stop you extending it and going out another 2 or 3 meters, because I've made the roof overhang by 2.5, so you could go further out into the garden. But good enough for a one bedroom. And you put a pool in, 300,000 for a swimming pool. But this is no high build, it's only for rentals, so it's no high spec air condition. 12,500 baht for LG dual inverter. And then same again, I just made the kitchen and the bathroom area the same size. I mean, this is a shower suite, but very easy. You could make it a bath in here, no problem. The bath, a lot big enough to go in here. Electric shower, 2,500. Toilet and wash basin, 2,900. This door, 1,800 baht. I mean, you add it up, you know, you talk about 12, 14, 15, 18,000 a square metre. A labour, one man to work for one day is 500 baht, and he'll build a bedroom in one day. So you're all dreaming when you get your prices. You're thinking about back home where you're ripped off for building and you just apply it to Thailand, you know. But this one's no fancy, that's why it's cheap. And there'll be extension to the front. This one I built on here as well. You can sit here. But all this is extras outside. If you want to build it, just add them on, like the small porches or the garage for the parking space. That's an extra as well, 32,000 to do that. But did you get carried away with prices? Just, you know, if you buy concrete blocks are 5 baht each, right? So 1,000 blocks is only 5,000 baht. So do the maths. The floor, the concrete slab, even 15,000 is enough. But this building, you didn't even need to put concrete pillars in. I mean, I've done it, but you don't need to do it. But the concrete pillars are in. But they're exposed as well, so they come out on you can see them inside the building. So, but no need for this size of a building. So my price was 160. People say it's no possible. 1,000% is possible. It's just that you don't do the maths and you're no a builder, and you believe Thai people what they're going to ask you to do a job. So that's it. You want to get shafted? It's up to you. But do the maths anyway, you know. Even give men 800 baht a day. 3 men 800 baht a day. That's 2,400 baht for a day, and in 2 weeks they'll build the house. So what? Just work the maths out. Just do the paperwork and price steel and the ceramic, and you'll come to the conclusion that the price is possible for 160,000. It's about 40. I think maybe I'll have a guess. I'll say it's 45 square meters altogether. Okay, then the meter, just electric meter, Same again, maybe 1,600. I put an outside kitchen as well, so the kitchen was, I put two toilets, a shower and a kitchen as a wee extension for the pool, so that same again, maybe 20,000. So that's the inside of the villa that I built for 160,000. But sit down on a pen and paper and do the maths, what things cost, and you'll soon find out you're paying far too much for building work in Thailand. I built a resort for maybe 7 million baht, so it's a massive resort. And the work I done, local builders wouldn't do it. It'd be too many jobs to get done. In fact, they wouldn't be able to do it. That's the problem. Okay, so that's building a 1-bedroom villa for 160,000. Sit down your pen and paper and work the maths out. Calculate labour at 800 baht a day for 3 men for 3 weeks, and that's it. So you just say, for you, if you want to be more happy, just say it's 250,000 for a 1-bedroom villa. Okay.